Okay.
Hello again. We got a Tony Giovinazzo there. It's a VGS Motorsport. We just stripping the sea, or they had some problem with the oil. It's pump making noise or something, or light or something, and it's flashing light, and then it's got a little bass music, doing the drums in the car. It's got to play, the making a noise, you make noise. You do stand me. It's a.
Okay.
He's fighting it. This car is fighting him. Look at him. He's trying to take the apart. He's want to go out. I don't know what's wrong with. He's making a.
Okay.
What kind of noise he makes when he used to then? He used to knock like drums. He used to knock
Only start in the morning.
Only start in the morning. Makes drop like drums. You understand? The drop like drums before. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah. He's got a. Look like he's fighting him again. He don't want
No
to.
shells?
He's got no shells. Oh shit, no shells in there.
Yeah, mine's in there, stuck in the bottom.
Oh, he's stuck in the button. The shells. The shells is stuck in the button. Okay, this he's a Evo4 engine. It's a lovely car. It just got a bit of pop with a little knocking noise. You're like doing a little bass music in the bottom of the engine.
Okay.
What's going on here? Something else here.
Oh no. It's alright.
It's okay. It's okay. He said not to worry. No.
Check this part.
He tried to check this part, but he's taking his time. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with the damn thing.
I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm taking it off slowly. Let's see.
He said he's got a problem with the car. He's just making funny noise on the button, and you're playing the drums. You're playing the drums in it.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's the crank. I need the crank's
I
fault.
think we're there.
He don't know what that time.
It's gone too hot.
It's gone too hot. It's
coming out now.
It's coming out. No problem. It's coming out.
It was just pop out perfectly. These fucking things, but this one don't want to come out the door.
He's fighting you, yeah. That's what he do. He's fighting you. You understand me? He's fighting you. You have to speak to respect and say, love you. You see, quickly come off. Look, he say, love you. Watch you come out.
Yeah.
See? You see, it works. Love you works. Love you.
I spin them from the shows. Right, if the crank's alright, it's a big fucking job ticket. It
looks okay. It's just the shells are gone. The oil pump pressure fucked up.
We don't know yet, we're there.
You can see from here, you can see, look it, you can see. It's just a little, put your finger on it. It's more like a smooth, it's okay. It's smooth.
Stuck that one.
Is that one stuck? He wants to fight you again. This one want to fight you. Warning, your flash has gone low.
Huh? Where's he one gone? You sure?
He's there, he's coming.
The one, where's he one?
You just took it off your hand.
It's
on the thing, what do they call it?
No, it's not there.
It is there.
No?
I just seen it.
I see ya. Don't want to be sure.
Okay. Ciao. Arrivederci. Buonanotte. Very good.
Round today.
That's it.